The following is a special weather briefing from your National Weather Service office in Spokane, Washington, produced Friday, August 30th, 2013. Taking a look at the weather for the next 7 days, we're looking at some very nice weather for the weekend. Dry and warm conditions will affect all of the inland northwest, with temperatures rising into the 90s in most valley locations by the time we get to Sunday. We'll also see plenty of sunshine through the weekend as well. By the time we get to Labor Day, things will become a little more cloudy as a low-pressure system begins to move toward the Washington coast. As it does, we'll increase the atmospheric moisture, and it'll also result in a slight chance of thunderstorms, mainly over the mountains. That'd be mainly near the Cascades and perhaps over the Idaho Panhandle. By the time we get to Tuesday and Friday, that low-pressure system drifts even farther to the coast, and will result in a chance of thunderstorms for most areas. Thunderstorms could be possible just about anywhere in the inland northwest and could occur either during the daytime or nighttime hours. At this point, there's a lot of uncertainty in the forecast as to which locations will see the most precipitation at this point, or what time it'll see the precipitation. And what makes this setup fairly unusual is the atmosphere will be unusually moist for this time of year, with almost double the amount of normal atmospheric moisture expected throughout much of the week. Potential impacts: with all that moisture coming in, we could see some flooding. Thunderstorms and showers which we see should be primarily quite wet, generally much wetter than we would see earlier in the summer when thunderstorm bases are very high and rainfall amounts could be light. That should not be the situation in this setup. Areas which are most susceptible to flooding would be near the burn scars along the Cascade Crest area, and also urban areas which have plenty of asphalt, roads, and parking lots where runoff could be difficult at times. We'll also see plenty of lightning in this pattern. It could result in a few wildfire ignitions. However, the fact that the storms will contain as much rainfall as they're expected, we do not expect to see a large spread outbreak of fires at this time. Also, we could see wind gusts and some hail reports through the week as well. Taking a look at the atmospheric pattern, over the next couple of days through the weekend, we're going to have a large ridge of high pressure over all of Washington and Idaho, which will bring us our warm temperatures. However, by the time we get into Monday and Friday of the upcoming week, this low pressure system, which is currently over the Gulf of Alaska, will begin to drift slowly eastward with time, and as it does, it'll draw plenty of moisture up from the desert southwest, resulting in an increased chance of showers and thunderstorms each day. And by the time we get to the end of the week, it looks like we should see a very good chance of showers and thunderstorms across much of the inland northwest. This is a look at the potential precipitation amounts we could see over next week. Everyone in the inland northwest should get some rain throughout the week. It's just a question of how much will fall. Thunderstorms could develop just about anywhere and will impact these totals. We could see considerably more than what this map is showing. However, it looks like at this point the heaviest rainfall amounts are expected near the Cascades, where anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain could fall through the week. Also over North Idaho, we're kind of looking at the same thing. Lighter rainfall amounts are expected over the Columbia Basin and into the lower Columbia Valley, where rainfall amounts could range anywhere from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of rain. Stay tuned for the latest information on this developing weather situation, either through our webpage at weather.gov/Spokane. You can like us on our Facebook page, follow our Twitter feeds, and of course we may post new weather briefings on YouTube, and get the latest weather information via Nowhere Weather Radio.